Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you the way that you can schedule a YouTube video for later. If you have a YouTube video that you're trying to upload and you don't want to upload it straight away and schedule for some time later, in today's video, let me show you the quick process. First things first, open up youtube.com and then you can click on the create option on the top right. From here, click on upload video and then click on select file and select the video that you're trying to schedule. Once you've selected the video, add in the title and description as required. Select if the video is made for kids or not, and if you want to add this video to a playlist. When that's done, click on next, click on next again, click on next again, and then here on the last section of visibility, you'll have the option called schedule. Just click on the schedule option. Now to schedule the video for later, you need to select a time zone. Click on the time zone option. You can choose from all of these time zones, or you just want to select your local time zone. Click on the local time zone option. Select the time that you're trying to upload the video, and then select the date as well. Once that is done, click on schedule. And that's it. The video now has been scheduled to a particular date that you've selected. Now you do not need to monitor this video. Once the date and time hits, the video will be automatically uploaded. So that was the quick video on the way that you can upload a YouTube video for later. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.